Hello, I am Emma, and today I will help you speak English with confidence. In this lesson, you will learn 50 easy English sentences. These sentences are very important. You can use them every day, at home, at work, with friends, with new people. Welcome to Easy English Zone. This channel is for beginners. If English feels difficult, do not worry. Here, we learn slowly. We learn clearly. We learn step by step. Today's lesson is 50 easy English sentences you must know. This is a speaking practice lesson, so please listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. We will practice the sentences in small groups. I will say the sentence, then you pause and repeat. Speak slowly. Do not rush. Your English will improve. Let's start with daily greetings. Sentence 1. Hello. Pause and repeat. Hello. Sentence 2. Hi, how are you? Pause and repeat. Hi, how are you? Sentence 3. I am fine, thank you. Pause and repeat. I am fine, thank you. Sentence 4. Nice to meet you. Pause and repeat. Nice to meet you. Sentence 5. Good morning. Pause and repeat. Good morning. Great. Now let's practice talking about yourself. Sentence 6. My name is. Pause and repeat. My name is. Sentence 7. I am from. Pause and repeat. I am from. Sentence 8. I live in. Pause and repeat. I live in. Sentence 9. I am a student. Pause and repeat. I am a student. Sentence 10. I work as a. Pause and repeat. I work as a. Very good. Now let's practice simple daily sentences. Sentence 11. I like English. Pause and repeat. I like English. Sentence 12. I am learning English. Pause and repeat. I am learning English. Sentence 13. I want to improve my English. Pause and repeat. I want to improve my English. Sentence 14. I need help. Pause and repeat. I need help. Sentence 15. Thank you very much. Pause and repeat. Thank you very much. Excellent. Now let's practice polite sentences. Sentence 16. Please help me. Pause and repeat. Please help me. Sentence 17. Excuse me. Pause and repeat. Excuse me. Sentence 18. Sorry, I am late. Pause and repeat. Sorry, I am late. Sentence 19. That's okay. Pause and repeat. That's okay. Sentence 20. You're welcome. Pause and repeat. You're welcome. Great job. Now let's practice asking simple questions. Sentence 21. What is your name? Pause and repeat. What is your name? Sentence 22. Where are you from? Pause and repeat. Where are you from? Sentence 23. How old are you? Pause and repeat. How old are you? Sentence 24. What do you do? Pause and repeat. What do you do? Sentence 25. Can you help me? Pause and repeat. Can you help me? Very good. Now let's practice daily life sentences. Sentence 26. I am hungry. Pause and repeat. I am hungry. Sentence 27. I am tired. Pause and repeat. I am tired. Sentence 28. I am busy. Pause and repeat. I am busy. Sentence 30. I am free now. Pause and repeat. I am free now. Sentence 31. I am happy today. Pause and repeat. I am happy today. Nice. Now let's practice simple work or study sentences. Sentence 31. I am at work. Pause and repeat. I am at work. Sentence 32. I am studying English. Pause and repeat. I am studying English. Sentence 33. I have a meeting today. Pause and repeat. I have a meeting today. Sentence 34. I need more time. Pause and repeat. I need more time. Sentence 35. I understand. Pause and repeat. I understand. Great! Now let's practice important daily expressions. Sentence 36. I don't understand. Pause and repeat. I don't understand. Sentence 37. Please speak slowly. Pause and repeat. Please speak slowly. Sentence 38. Can you repeat, please? Pause and repeat. Can you repeat, please? Sentence 39. That is correct. Pause and repeat. That is correct. Sentence 39. That is wrong. Pause and repeat. That is wrong. Excellent! Now let's practice future and plan sentences. Sentence 41. I will try again. Pause and repeat. I will try again. Sentence 42. I want to learn more. Pause and repeat. I want to learn more. Sentence 43. I will practice every day. Pause and repeat. I will practice every day. Sentence 44. I am ready. Pause and repeat. I am ready. Sentence 45. Let's start. Pause and repeat. Let's start. Very good. Now the last 5 sentences. These are very powerful. Sentence 46. I can do this. Pause and repeat. I can do this. Sentence 47. I am improving. Pause and repeat. I am improving. Sentence 48. English is not hard. Pause and repeat. English is not hard. Sentence 49. I believe in myself. Pause and repeat. I believe in myself. Sentence 50. I will not give up. Pause and repeat. I will not give up. Amazing work! Now let's do a final speaking practice. I will say 5 sentences together. You repeat after me. My name is. I am learning English. I want to improve my English. I will practice every day. I can do this. Pause and repeat. Excellent! Let me give you a small confidence tip. Do not try to speak fast. Speak clearly. Speak slowly. Practice every day. Even 5 minutes a day is enough. Now let's review. Today, you learned 50 easy English sentences. These sentences help you speak. They help you feel confident. They help you improve every day. Use these sentences in real life. Say them again and again. Practice makes you better. Thank you for learning with me, Emma, on Easy English Zone. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Easy English Zone for more simple English lessons, and write a comment with your favorite sentence from today. I am proud of you. Keep learning, keep practicing. You are doing great. See you in the next lesson. Bye!